All right, so you know it, you love it, phone cases. Have you ever bought a new phone and you look inside the box, you unbox it, it's working great, excellently, but now you need a case. You go online to Amazon and you see that the prices of the cases range from $10 to $20. Some are different depending on your needs. If you need something that's tough and durable, it might cost you even more. This is a niche for a 3D print shop. If you take a look at some of these that I have here, so this is made out of a simple transparent material. As you can see, this is printed specifically for an iPhone. And on the back, you'll see that embossed in here is a photo of Santorini, a design of Santorini. Now, this is pretty easy to replicate yourself. For instance, if you wanted to make a 3D print shop about cell phone cases featuring popular vacation spots from around the world, there's an idea for you. There's a concept. And you can make your prints based on the most popular models of phones and go from there. This one, for instance, is a different type. So this one has a natural wood looking finish to it. If you think about the wood PLA that's pretty popular as of late, you can create something quite similar to this. And lastly, you can be more novel and you can create interesting designs. So for instance, with this one here, we're seeing that it looks like a puffer jacket that you would see in the winter. So that's why I bought it. It's quirky, it's interesting. Think novel, interesting, quirky items to print. Think outside of the box and what you commonly see for cell phone cases. Because you have a fabricator, which is your 3D printer, you can make generally anything. But as this is for cases and for phone cases, you'll want to test to make sure that it's durable, that it doesn't slip, and that it ultimately holds up to the purpose that it's built for. But these are relatively easy to make. The cost of the filament should not be too high if you think about it, if you calculate it. And the design potential is pretty limitless. So for instance, some people may tend to scratch their phones. Well, you can design a cover for that. You could turn this cover idea into a concept where it is a billfold for men and women who want to hold their cards or money, or turn it into a wallet sort of deal, a combo deal, if you will. Some phones have styluses on them. Use that to your advantage too. Start making and manufacturing products for these niches. For these newer phones or phones that you own, test them and release them out on the market and see what lands. The potential, as I said, is limitless. All right, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think we should talk about next. Or if you have ideas for people in the comments, this is really a community-based thing. So if there are some things, you don't have to share what you're printing in your own print shops. But if you can share things that have worked for you in the past or thinking outside the box, that would be helpful. And make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.